Tired of website clutter slowing down your Odoo experience? This video will show you how to delete an Odoo website quickly and easily, ensuring a clean and customized online presence. First, log into your Odoo account as an administrator. This is crucial because only administrators have the necessary permissions to delete websites. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Apps module. You can usually find this in the main dashboard of your Odoo instance. In the Apps module, use the search bar to find and open the website app. Type website in the search bar to quickly locate it. Now that you're in the website app, locate the website you want to delete. If you have multiple websites, they will be listed here. Hover over the website you want to delete and click on the three dots menu. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Odoo will then prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to delete the website. Carefully read the confirmation message, and if you are certain, click OK to proceed with the deletion. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible and will remove all associated data with the website. And that's it. The website is now deleted. You should now see a cleaner website interface in your Odoo. Repeat these steps for any other websites you wish to remove. This process ensures a clean and efficient Odoo environment.